Ugandan law graduates face a critical skills gap in East African community law. Regional integration is threatened by insufficient legal education standards.
The authorities that we are suing are seeing us just like a mere barking dog that doesn't bite. We wrote numerous letters to the Attorney General of Uganda. We wrote numerous letters to the Uganda Law Council asking them to incorporate East African community law into the curriculum. But because they have failed, they have wittingly and unwittingly not complied with our letters. So we decided that the only thing that we can do is maybe to seek for a declaration or other avenues.
According to court documents, only a minority of Uganda's 18 law schools offer East African community law as a core subject. Most treat it as an elective or omit it entirely, despite the EAC's push for harmonized legal practice across member states.
We have sports law, we have arbitration law. It's all being taught. Why are we leaving out East African community law? All we need is just accrediting this course in it such that it can be taught to our future lawyers.
Statistical evidence from the Law School Association of East Africa shows that out of 18 accredited law schools in Uganda, less than 30% have mandatory EAC law courses. This leaves over 70% of law graduates with inadequate knowledge of the region's legal framework, undermining cross-border legal practice and dispute resolution.
I didn't know about East African law not until I attended an East African Law Students Conference in Kenya, and it enlightened me about the importance because it's being taught in universities, in other universities except ours. So when I looked at it, it brought up a perspective of how we can expound on our knowledge, and if we really intend to have cross-border practice, how can we have it without studying about other laws?
Stakeholders in the legal sector, including law students and practicing advocates, have expressed frustration. This case comes as the EAC intensifies efforts to operationalize its customs union and common market. The lack of harmonized legal training threatens the effectiveness of these regional protocols, as legal professionals are ill-prepared to interpret and apply EAC law in real-world scenarios. The outcome of this reference could set a precedent for legal education reforms in Uganda across the EAC. If the court rules in favor of Law School Association of East Africa, law schools may be compelled to overhaul curricula, ensuring future graduates are equipped for regional legal practice.